Hi tutor and classmate, this is my video about workshop 3 pronunciation practice. Check the following sentence, mark the syllable stress of each word and record yourself pronunciation the sentence. The airplane taxied down the runway before taking off. Check the following sentence, mark the word stress in the sentence and record yourself pronunciation the sentence. The airplane circled around the airport, waiting patiently to receive permission to land. Check the following paragraph and apply what you have learned about syllables, stress, and word stress in sentence. Record yourself pronunciation the paragraph. Demon is a barren, rocky word without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. I get its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing its shade as it moves around the earth. Thank you for your attention. Bye.